One time, I was ironing my ass.
What?
I was
You are ironing your ass?
Who remembers the yellow wall?
खेलना है तो खेलो वरना गेट आउट. सेंटा नहीं मिला हमको.
She wants me cleaning.
She wants you.
Now, you don't have to show me doing my brows.
Browse.
Guys, see Christmas feels. यानी किरण ने ये भी सब अच्छे से कर दिया है. And this also. We are having a debate if Sahil was छपरी in school or not. किरण बता, सच बता.
सच बता किरण.
He was a cool kid.
See, she winked.
No, I didn't.
She did. She winked.
एक्सप्रेशन ही वैसे.
ए अशी का बसली आहे नीट बस ताट एकदम. हाँ ना इट इज क्यूट.
मानसी से डर लग रहा है मुझे.
अभी
देखिए ना. New influencer on the rise.
Okay, Papa. This thing is scaring me about my boobs.
तुमको ये है ना पहन के नहीं करना चाहिए पहली बात तो. तुम अलग ही लोग हो. मत चटका डालना.
लग रहा है चटका तो बता दे मेरे को. ठीक है अभी लग रहा है नहीं ना.
दूर है ना भाई.
सी
झटका लगता है ना. आई थिंक मेरे को हाथ पे लगा शायद. पता नहीं, मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा.
पानी डाल इसमें कि बॉडी मस्त बारबेक्यू हो जाती है.
It reminded me this one time. I was ironing my ass.
व्हाट?
I was
You are ironing your ass?
मतलब I was wearing trousers and I was running late for college. तो मैं इस्त्री लेके
This
आया.
happened in engineering college?
Yeah, and I burned my ass.
अच्छा है. देखो
Okay.
ये है.
मौसम की
ओस से की बूंद.
सॉरी
मौसम क्या होता है?
आई थिंक दिस इज इनफ.
Yeah.
बराबर.
Yeah.
वेयर इट नाउ.
Yeah, but the thing is, that is like उसका screen to teacher का even ये 11 तो दाल का ना chicken tikka and cheese kucha. And that's the same thing for
So guys, welcome to Mansi's YouTube channel.
फोटोग्राफी स्किल्स.
Nice.
हो गया. अभी किसका कॉम्पिटिशन कॉम्बिनेशन है?
घर अभी घर.
यू एंड मी.
Please यार, let's go to the
ये आउटफिट नहीं है.
struggles. ये देखिए इसको.
दिस इज नाइस.
है ना. I'm amazing.
दिस इज नाइस.
No, you're not.
Hi guys, so it's the next day and who remembers the yellow wall? Nostalgia is hitting hard, but can you guys see मेरा living room is looking so empty. Do not mind that as well. Those are my PR and stuff, but there is no sofa here. सब चले गए. We have to buy a new sofa, new chairs for the dining table, and it's just looking so empty. So I think it is 1:90, like 1:20. मैंने अब तक lunch नहीं किया. So I'm gonna have my lunch and then go to the studio. I'm gonna film a main channel video when I try new makeup. I'm gonna try cuffs and lashes, color bar. There are a lot of new products that I wanna try on camera with you guys. Also, I'm gonna get like a small surgery done for this milia thing. So I spoke to my dermat about it and he told me that do not try to scratch or get this off with normal skincare because nahi hota hai normal skincare se. You have to get like a surgery done. So I'm gonna get it done after Saily's wedding. I'll be able to vlog it also. I'm not sure, let's see, but it's just like a very small surgery, nothing major. So I'm very excited about that. Like I want to get rid of this. I'm so tired of this. So yeah, then जो इसके पहले का vlog है I put that on render and अभी upload पे है तो वो भी upload आज हो जाएगा. And what else? yeah, so yeah, I'm just going to finish lunch and then I'll see you once I reach the studio. Okay, so I have come to the studio and I'm about to start the shoot. I just wanted to come here and tell you guys that the reason why I didn't say hi and you know I didn't start the vlog that way, I didn't speak to you guys at all, I feel you know, I didn't face the camera basically, is because I lost some files, like I accidentally deleted them and they were like really important because you know some brand collaboration was involved in it, and it just made me feel really, I don't know, irresponsible. And I was like, how can you do this, Mansi? How stupid are you to delete files? But theek hai yaar, I'm just a human, it happens, and I was in a hurry. Honestly, I had other things in mind and wo ghai mein I deleted that file, but theek hai, everything is sorted now. So yeah, and because my cousin's wedding is coming up ekdam pass, abhi sirf 4 din bache hai for her engagement. Today is 19th, 24th ko is her engagement, and uske baad 31st and 1st ko mere ghar pe puja hoti hai, fir 8th ko shaadi. It's gonna be, I don't know, I'm so worried for आर बर्थडे सीरीज इज़ वेल, बिकॉज मैंने अब तक इंट्रो शूट नहीं की है, मैंने ना ही कोई शूट, एक भी वीडियो शूट नहीं किया अब तक. आई हैव टू कीप एटलीस्ट 8 वीडियोज़ रेडी बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द बर्थडे सीरीज, एंड आई एम पैनिकिंग. But I think I should take one thing at a time. I should shoot today's video, finish it off. 25th के बाद देखा जाएगा जो भी है.
2 hours later.
Look at the Christmas vibe, you guys. It looks so pretty. Oh my god. I'm just sitting to edit today's video. I think by the time you watch this video, it's already up. So yeah. But I just can't get over this. Oh my god. Okay, sudden change of plans. Look what I'm wearing. Like I don't have good clothes. Like good as in जो हमेशा के कपड़े होते हैं वैसे कपड़े मेरे पास है नहीं. मेरे सब फैंसी क्लोथ्स है बस. सो आई एम वेयरिंग दिस. दिस इज द बेस्ट आई कुड डू. आई हैव टू गो टू माई काकाज हाउस. चादर का काम टुडे एंड आई जस्ट फिनिश्ड हियर, सो आई कॉल्ड देम एंड भक्ति दीदी इज ऑलरेडी देयर, सो माई काका इज कमिंग टू पिक मी अप. सी आई टोल्ड यू गाइज, ऐसी ही हॉच पॉच लाइफ होने वाली है मेरी जब तक शादी कंप्लीट नहीं होती तब तक. मैंने पसारा ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया यहाँ पे कपड़े मेरे. ऑल ऑफ दिस
कपड़े देख, मेरा उतार देख, मुझे पूरा लग रही है तू काम कर.
I'm drinking coke. और सब लोग बहुत गुस्सा है मेरे से. भक्ति दीदी थोड़ा टिप दे दे यार. How to not drink coke. Self control. तेरे सामने अगर 4 कुल्फी रखूंगा तो तू नहीं खाएगी. सामू, सामू, come here. ये ना. Samu is pissed at me because I'm drinking coke. सब गंदा ये कर मेरा.
नीचे थोड़ा एक ऑन दिस प्लेट. हाँ
या तो फिर इसको ऐसे
त्याला ते कर शोल्डर. इंजिनियरिंग का कमाल है ये.
कभी तो
Engineers in the house. 3 engineers in the house.
इंजिनियरिंग की कनेक्टेड में काहीच करत
मी वही बोला, वो लेके आया ना मेरे को. मला इंजिनिअरिंगच्या ह्या साईडला बघ. हे बघ तुझ्या फोटो पेज. काय फोटो नंतर वरती काय बघ असे दोन फोटो राहिले.
हो 3-6 माणसं पाहिजे.
Hi guys, it's the next day and my voice sounds so deep, and you can clearly see from my face also that I think I'm falling sick. I shouldn't have had coke last night. But I came here because I have to shoot videos. Like 3 o'clock and I have still not started the shoot, and I have deadlines, man. Like how I mean, I don't know what's happening with me. I'm just having one of those lazy days. It's not even lazy, I'm genuinely not feeling well, but I managed to pull myself out of the bed, got myself to the studio, had my Starbucks, and there is a lot of kachra of Starbucks here. Yeah, I ordered a lot of Starbucks. I don't know why, it's one of those days. And now I gotta start the shoot.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, why is it zoomed in? Something's wrong with my camera. But this is the makeup look for today. I am so happy with it. It's something different and it's monotonous, like the blush, the eyeshadow and my lipstick is pink, and it's not like a proper pink, it's a very cool toned sort of neon pink. The reel is done. Now I have to sit to shoot the main YouTube video, and yeah, I'm feeling a little better and my voice is also not that deep anymore. So yeah. Hey guys, don't even ask what date is. No wait, I know what date is. It's 23rd because कल engagement है and मेरी फटी पड़ी है because engagement में भी dance performance है and मैंने कुछ practice नहीं की है and I am just working over here. There is so much I have to do and I'm panicking because मेरा अभी तक का intro shoot नहीं हुआ है birthday series का, and I'm thinking I'm not gonna do intro. I'm just gonna focus on the videos because मेरी intro shoot नहीं हुई है. I'm not shooting videos. मेरे 15 videos with idea, with everything is ready, but I'm not shooting them. Why? Because intro ready नहीं है. How stupid am I? So I think I'm gonna either, I don't know man, I don't want to skip the intro, like the new birthday series intro, but time nahi hai. See, I'll tell you why. Kal engagement hai, 25th ko Christmas hai, then I just have 4 days, 26, 27, 28, 29. Usme I am thinking to shoot at least 8 videos because the wedding is on 8, matlab 8, 9, 10 I'm busy, wedding time hai wo. And 30th and 30th is like some ceremony with Saili, like her farewell thing, and 31st is our party with my cousins. First I have puja at my house. You guys already know कि हर साल सत्यनारायण का पूजा होता है मेरे घर पे 1st Jan को. So can you see, like I am just freaking out, but let's take one day at a time, as I said पहले also. So मुझे belief के लिए stories करनी थी, वो मैंने अभी ख़त्म करी है and मैंने आज ही giveaway winners announce किए and yeah, some stupid people again spoiled my mood, but yeah, whatever it is, I blocked them. I have got foregrass for my balcony and it's there and मैंने अब तक उसको open नहीं किया है. So let's do that because I have to film another video for Nykaa. It's their Happy Heels cream. I'm in the balcony. We have to clean the balcony first, but there is so much of saman in the balcony, as you guys can see. So yeah, I have to put these boxes inside first and then we'll clean the balcony. इन पिन, सेफ्टी पिन, इन पिन आउट. खेलना है तो खेलो वरना गेट आउट.
ऐसा नहीं होता था.
ऐसा ही है वो.
टेक योर वाटर बॉटल एंड गेट आउट होता था. खेलना है तो खेलो, ऐसा नहीं होता.
बच्चा
टेक योर वाटर बॉटल एंड गेट आउट. आस्क गाइस प्लीज कमेंट डाउन बिलो कि मेरा राइट है मानसी का.
कुछ भी बकवास यार.
टेक योर वाटर बॉटल एंड गेट आउट. इन पिन, सेफ्टी पिन, इन पिन आउट. टेक योर वाटर बॉटल एंड गेट आउट.
खेलना है तो खेलो वरना गेट आउट.
बकवास.
थोड़ा झुक के करना कचरा, ये ऐसा कौन करता है?
मम्मी भी सेम बोलती है.
झुक वुक के कर यार थोड़ा.
हाथ लंबे है ना मेरे.
हाथ लंबे है तो क्लीन झाड़ू नहीं लगता है ऐसे. एंड गो एंड वॉश.
जो भी आप थोड़ा तेरा वीडियो था उसमें.
Okay, so I thought why not end the vlog right here because कल I don't know if I'll be vlogging. I'll try to vlog, but होगा तो भी मैं बात नहीं करूँगी. It will be just like shorts with some other music because पीछे का म्यूजिक तो मैं डाल नहीं सकती because of copyright. So yeah, I'm ending the vlog right here. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in my next vlog. Until then, stay positive and
stay happy.
Bye guys. Macarena.
Macarena, hey Macarena,